Okay, we are out on a beautiful, slightly, Saturday afternoon down at the reservoir. Just taking in the sights. We've got some fishermen there to our right, getting some fishing in. And I am moto vlogging in my 50s for the first time in my life. So please be kind in the comments, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Hey, there's one of those Polaris three-wheelers. That's cool. But this is just a reservoir here that's not too far from my house that I enjoy driving around. And it's basically just to control the water level of, I guess, what they consider more important lakes. This is just for fishing. I believe you're only allowed to have like an electric trolling motor. You're not allowed to have a very big boat out here. But there is a lake nearby that's for water skiing and all the big boats, and they basically use this lake to control the level of that lake. So that one can't go shallow because it'll cut into all the speedboat activities. And if this one goes shallow, it's just not really all that big of a deal. So they use this one to fill that one up. I'm going to take a drive down here by the campground, see if there's any campers out. This road looks like it's seen better days. Just a real pretty area here to ride through. They got their campgrounds back here, and they have like a little, I guess, for a lack of better terms, peninsula. Little bodies of water here and there, but we've had a lot of rain here, so those usually aren't here. But I go out on this lake a few times a year with a kayak. It's a lot of fun. I don't do a lot of fishing. I probably should try. Isn't that what you're supposed to do when you get older, is start doing calming activities like fishing? Maybe I'll have to give that a try this summer. So I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're getting out on your bikes. Maybe you're fortunate enough to live in a climate where you can ride year-round. I'm in Ohio. We had a pretty brutal winter here. It got cold and stayed cold for quite some time. So unfortunately, I didn't get quite as much winter riding in as I normally do. You got some people going out on their kayaks and some people coming back from their kayak rides. There's the campgrounds to your right. I see some people back there camping. Got a fellow rider out.
We're going, don't matter what we do, long as we got each other, just me and you. Shotgun ride on my Friday night, sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day. All we got is this open road, no map, just the stars to light the road. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end in sight. Oh, nothing lasts forever, but we can sure as hell try. Girl, I'm loving the ride.
Well, I just wanted to get out today and make you a short little riding video. Please let me know how horribly I did on this first time moto vlogging ever. And I had to wait until I was 53 years old before I ever moto vlogged. So hopefully it wasn't too horrible to listen to. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope that you subscribe, maybe give this video a like. I do not need to make a living off of this channel. I just really enjoy the motorcycle lifestyle. I really like to see people get out there and enjoy their lives, especially as they get older and they've worked so hard. And I don't want them to miss some fun, you know. And if it takes me being out here doing the same to give you a little nudge to get out there and have some fun, you deserve it. You've worked your entire life. Get out there and do some camping, ride your motorcycle, go buy a motorcycle if you don't have one, get that boat you always wanted, whatever it may be. You definitely should do it. There's always time to work, but there's not always time to have fun. You'll definitely run out of one before you run out of the other. So I really appreciate you watching today, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.